Hello, third graders. We are going to work on something that we normally don't do in third grade. We are going to add some fractions together, and we are going to add fractions that have the same denominator. So as you can see on the screen, I have got a fraction circle, and this fraction circle is broken up into 6 pieces. So 6 is our denominator, and I have written a little fraction addition problem below. I have 1/6 plus 1/6 equals what? And it's going to be our job today to figure out what 1/6 plus 1/6 equals. And I will be modeling our problem on our fraction circle as we go along with this to help you see what happens when we add fractions with the same denominator. Now, we all know that the denominator means how many pieces of fraction is broken up into. The denominator is the destroyer. We've talked about how it breaks fractions up, but it's a very neat destroyer. It breaks it up into 6 different pieces. So that's one thing to remember is when you're adding fractions that the denominator needs to be the same for the equation to work out correctly. All right? And lucky for us, we're adding 2 fractions with the same denominator of 6. So let's look at our fraction circle here. Our job is to add 1/6 plus 1/6 to see what our answer is. Well, lucky for us, the denominator is 6, so chances are our answer will be 6 in this. So let's see here. I'm going to go ahead and just draw 6 as our denominator. And let's figure out how many pieces are if we add up 1/6 plus 1/6. So I've got 1/6 right here, and I'm just going to change its color just to represent that we're working with that. And remember, when we add amounts, we are putting things together. So I've got 1/6 highlighted. Let's just put the other one next to it and highlight that guy. All right, so I've highlighted 2/6 pieces, right? And so out of our 6th piece of our fraction circle, 2/6 are highlighted because I added 1/6 plus 1/6 equals 2/6. And you can even see in our equation that the denominator did not change. A lot of people make the mistakes of saying 1/6 plus 1/6 equals 2/12. Is that right? No, it's not. No, it's not. The denominator is the same. So I'm going to erase that as quickly as I can because we don't need to be seeing that. No. 1/6 plus 1/6 equals 2/6. And we can see 2 pieces out of the whole circle. We just combined those 2 right there. All right, I'm going to pause my screen and get another one up here for us to work with. All right, we have another problem. We have a fraction circle with the denominator of 5. So we are working with fifths. And our addition problem is 1/5 plus 2/5. And just like we talked about in the other problem, when we add 1/5 plus 2/5, is our answer going to be a denominator of 10? Are we going to add 5 and 5 to make 10? I hope you're telling me no, because no, we are not. No, we are working with this same fraction circle. We are not adding anything with a denominator of 10. So just like the last problem, I'm going to start combining some fifths here. I have 1/5 here, so I will just give that guy a different color. And then how many fifths am I going to be combining now? 2 more fifths. All right, so let me color 2 more fifths here. And now I end up with how many fifths are colored out of the whole circle? 3/5. So 1/5 plus 2/5 equals 3/5. Excuse me. Let me write that out for us. 1/5 plus 2/5 equals 3/5. Awesome. Let's do one more, and then you can do this on your own. The last one we'll be practicing now has 8 as the denominator. So I have our fraction circle broken up into 8 pieces, and I have 4 8s plus 3 8s. And hopefully now you have caught on already, and you know the first step is for us to write our denominator, which will be what? 8. Yes, 8. 8 is our denominator because we're working within the fraction of the 8s. So now all we need to do is add up how many pieces of 8. And if you had your fraction tiles out in front of you, you could just lay down 4 pieces of 8 and then add 3 more and you would get 8 8s. Okay? But right now we're just using numbers because It's just as easy for us to do that because we're working within the same denominator. In other videos, we'll work on adding fractions with different denominators. That gets a little bit more complex. But today it's just same denominator, so the denominator goes straight across, 8, 8, 8. And so now we just add up how many pieces of 8. So I have 4 pieces of 8, so I'm going to start coloring these guys up. There's 1, 2, and hopefully while I'm coloring this, you can come up with what 4 plus 3 is, honestly. There's 3, and there's 4 pieces of 8, right? How many more do I need to add? 3 more. 5, 6, 7. 4 8s plus 3 8s equals 7 8s. 7 8s. Now, a moment ago I mentioned fractions with different denominators. I'm just going to give you a little bit of an extension here. 4 8s is the same thing as what? What is it equivalent to? 1/2. So just as a little preview, 1/2 plus, which is the same as 4 8s. So 1/2 plus 3 8s is 7 8s. So we'll talk about that more in other videos. But for now, I just want you to focus on adding fractions with the same denominator. Thank you for learning with me.